Unbox it while I walk it. Unbox it while I walk it. Also, I'm brain dead. I got a new deck. Why can't I get this? I don't even think this part opens. No, I think I was just cutting that for no reason.
Big bang, take lil bang with a cash at. You don't got no cash, then just hit me on that cash at. Big move, smoking big pack with a gas at. Rolling up that sack, if it's Drax, I won't pass that. Big bang, take lil bang with a cash at. You don't got no cash, then just hit me on that cash at.
I see it though, it's so pretty. Yeah. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch. It's my order. This is my new deck. Wait, Disarmo Frieza. Primitive. I got you deck. I'm so excited. I also got an extra free grip tape of it. It's black fucking diamond, which is shit, but that's fine because I have extra grip tape. I also got this pretty grip tape. This is so sexy. I gotta lay this out so it'll flatten because that's disgusting. I haven't had a new board in literally a year. This board is an 8 and I usually ride 7.75, but they didn't have it in a 7.75. This is a Baker sticker, but it was $1, so I got it. I love Baker. Shorty's Hardware. When did you order hardware and it came in a literal dime bag that wasn't dime bag hardware? Fuck, they wrap it. Smells like those Tootsie Pop. So I have I'm shaking, but why do those look like that? What is going on? What is that? I've never received lubed bearings. They're like leaking everywhere. This is so gross. I wish my boyfriend was here. Ew. I also got wheels. Thanks for the kisses. Aww, you're the cutest little baby. What's going on, guys? I have the house to myself, so I'm actually gonna try to be enthusiastic this entire video because I can yell. Can you move your tail, please? We're going to be setting up a skateboard together. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 skateboards in my entirety of my life, and I've never set one up myself. Hi. This is not a fucking tutorial because I don't even know what I'm doing. I also bought rails and I've never once used rails. This tape just fits. Without further ado, let's just hop into this video. I'm gonna have to do this right now. I'm also scared I'm gonna get cat hair stuck in it. So this is important. What you need to do is make sure it's facing the right way you want it, which is this way. And what you're gonna do is put the center part in. I said this was not a tutorial. You have enough space to cover the whole board, and then you're just gonna let it sink in the middle. Please tell me that's all. Oh, yes. You can feel it. Yes. Yes, new grip.
Yes, new grip. I feel so sexy. I feel so sexy. My board's gonna look beautiful.
So I just rub it down. This razor blade I'm actually really scared to use, so I'm gonna use the smaller one. So what you're gonna do is literally cut towards yourself.
Yup.
1, 2, 3. Now that it's on there, looking freaking cute, what we're gonna do is put the trucks on. The only advice for you, when you have your board like this, the circles face the inside. Never fucking put your trucks like this, or yeah, it's just not gonna end well. So you can really use any hardware for this, but I'm just using Shorty's purple ones here. It's time to put these wheels on this deck.
Drive a great big Cadillac against the white walls. TV ain't.
I'm sweating my fucking ass off.
And you can dim it if you want. There.
That's about it for this video, guys. I have my deck now. I've been skating it for a few months. It's been great. I love it. So I added some clips of me skating it in here and some pictures as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, because I love making skating videos for you guys. If you have any questions about skateboarding at all, leave them down below and I will respond to them for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
Thank you.